If you have recently started learning about databases, you may find a little confusing like what is DBMS, what is RDBMS, and what is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS. Let's cover the topic in this tutorial. DBMS. The full form of DBMS is Database Management System. DBMS is a program or software. We can use this program to interact with databases to store, modify, and access the data. We can also say a database management system is a system software for creating and managing databases. The DBMS serves as an interface between databases and applications or users. The DBMS manages three important things: the data, the database engine. Database engine is a system for storing and retrieving data, and the database schema. The database schema is a database logical structure. There are different types of database management systems like RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, Object-Oriented Database Management System, Hierarchical Database Management System, Network Database Management System, NoSQL Database Management System, Cloud Database Management System, and so on. The RDBMS is the most popular and commonly used database management system. The full form of RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is actually a database management system, DBMS, which stores relational databases. And a relational database is the database that follows the relational model as invented by E.F. Code. RDBMS is the basis for SQL and all modern database systems. An important feature of relational database system is that a single database can be spread across several tables. In terms of difference, we can say DBMS is a software or program, and RDBMS is also a software or program specifically used to manage relational databases. The most popular and commonly used relational database management systems are Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, and so on. In this tutorial, we learned what is DBMS and what is RDBMS. I hope you understood the terminology. If you still have any questions or doubts, you can ask me in the comments section of this video. Hit the like button if you like the video, and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more database related video tutorials. Thank you. See you in the next video.